Hello viewers, welcome to the ultimate guide for rocking your natural curls. We're skipping the fluff and diving straight into actionable tips for nurturing and styling your fabulous coils. Get ready to master the art of curl care and styling like a pro. No more confusion, just solid techniques for your gorgeous curls. Let's unveil those secrets. Step 1. Love your natural texture. No more heat damage, it's all about rocking what you've got and flaunting your authentic beauty. Embrace your curls, for they are uniquely you. Cleanse with a twist. Say no to chemical products and hello to Phamily hair care for the ultimate hydration boost. Treat your curls like the royalty they are. The magic word? Hydration. Quench those curls with Phamily hair care's moisturizing formula to lock in moisture for days. Well-hydrated curls are happy curls. Phamily hair care is one-stop solution for all your curly hair needs. It will help you to repair your damaged curls, improve scalp health, increase blood flow, moisturize your curls too. It is 100% natural and formulated for all hair types. Tangle time. Go slow and steady, using wide tooth combs or your fingers. Say goodbye to breakage, and hello to gorgeous curls. Detangle is a delicate process that requires patience and care. Keep those towels away from your curls. Opt for a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to dry gently and keep frizz at bay. Treat your curls like silk. Quick fix for second-day curls, spritz with water and use Phamily hair care to revive the bounce. This is your secret to fabulous long curls. So there you have it, your curl care toolkit. Follow these steps, embrace your curls, and let the magic unfold. Until next time, keep rocking those fabulous coils.